Hey YouTube, what's going on? Boston Joe. I got a quick one for you. I am under my Silverado and I am gonna go over with you how I successfully removed the band clamp. I think it's a V-band clamp that goes between after the catalytic converters, after the resonator, and then just before you would bolt on. So this is any time you would want to put on a catback exhaust, you'd want to remove this V-clamp right here. This V-clamp right here, which is the first clamp that you would have to take off if you were doing any catback exhaust, which is what I'm doing today. So I did price this out. It's about 15 bucks at Advanced Auto or AutoZone, depending on it. So if you end up cutting it off, it's not too big of a deal. But I just wanted to tell you how I succeeded in doing it. Early this morning, I was going out for a ride. What I did was I took some penetrating oil. I always use this Croil spray, but you can use any penetrating oil. And before I went out on a ride, I actually got under here and sprayed that down so that it would give it a chance. When I got back and got under there, I wire brushed it, and because what happens is the bottom bolt gets all corroded, so then even if you break that free, getting that threaded nut to go over the entire way is going to be very difficult. So the wire brush is going to help you huge once you're in progress. But anyways, I got under here. I drove it up on ramps and everything. Got it, set myself up a clean work area and everything, and still I didn't think I was going to get it because everything kept rounding no matter what it was. I ended up I have a 12mm socket. Of course, I couldn't find a 6-point, so I had a 12-point, and it kept starting to round, so I was having a problem. I tried a wrench with a cheetah bar and a few other things, but of course, I don't know if in factory you're always going to have the head facing up, so that you have to work from below. So anyways, I'm going to tell you what I ended up doing is a short 12mm socket. That's a 12-point, but I recommend a 6-point, a 3/8 ratchet, and then I have a dead blow hammer, and then that'll give it almost like, basically I got it in a position where I could swing the dead blow hammer and then just started whacking the back of my ratchet. And it did start to slip a little bit, and what I would do is I would reverse the ratchet, back it off, and then just try again. You don't want to go too much, because if you round the thing off completely, you're done for. And after two or three whacks, that thing broke free. And it looks like I'll be able to reuse the clamp. So anyways, I'm going to cut this right here, because that's pretty much all you need to know. And if you got a lot more corrosion and stuff like that, you may have to just replace this. But like I said, I just wanted to tell you guys I was successful. 72,000 miles on this truck, and we're in New England, so that's a pretty decent amount of corrosion that we beat right there. But anyways, if you like this video, hit like. We'd love to have you subscribe. Could always use the support. And while you're subscribing, if you see that bell icon, click that. You'll get alerts every time we put out a video. That's it. Take it easy, guys.